what's going on? It's Dorian. I'm over here with Vikingbags. I just picked them up from my Dyna, my DX. Make them for just about any Harley. I got the black, small Patriot bags. You just throw over there. They got that MOLLE webbing on top, military style for buckling down everything you need. Also, the zipper was really top notch. It's really durable. That polyester that this is made out of is top notch, weather resistant. I really like what they did with the logos on these. They're kind of appealing to the younger crowd, that club style, low-key look, or that, you know, stunt guy, street thing. The Velcro, you could tell was you could Velcro it for the rest of your life. It's never going anywhere on that bike. It's rock solid. And then inside, you got this pocket on top with another one of those durable zippers. You got a couple pockets in here for, you know, a Swiss Army knife or something. You can even pull that out if you want. It's got the Velcro behind there. You got 880 cubic inches of space, so you can fit about 6 beers in each side if you wanted. The hardware also is cool if you really wanted to bolt down the bags and keep them from ever falling off. I chose to just go with throwing the bags over. You'll see here, it's so easy. All you gotta do is pop your seat off, it's one bolt, just yank that guy out, pull the seat, see you later, boom, throw the bags on, adjust that durable Velcro to whatever width you want to match your rear fender, so one size fits all, boom, good to go, toss that seat back on, beautiful. Bolt that guy down and you're good to go. I really like how it matches that club style look I'm going for on my bike. Like I said again, it's got that notch in the front there, like I got the piggyback shocks. Just looks real sleek with my bike here. Rode for about an hour out in the mountains in Las Vegas here. And yeah, everything's clean. Nothing got dirt on it, anything like that. The bags are nice and secure. I didn't once think, you know, maybe, hey, something's gonna go flying off. Everything looks good. Everything's taut. Everything's still buckled on there, just as it should be. Thanks, Vikingbags.